So this is my first blog post about the Arduino HackPack from Mark Rober by Crunch Labs. So this is my first one. This is actually my label maker. This was one of the coolest projects that I made. And it's pretty much how it sounds. It's a label maker. So it'll draw stuff onto this roll of tape right here. And it'll just draw with this silver marker. And it'll just automatically draw the label that I want using this LCD screen. So let's just dive deeper really quickly on how this works. So the whole thing is powered by this Arduino Nano microchip. So this is the brains of the entire label maker. Now, Mark Rober and Crunch Labs are super helpful because in every HackPack, they have this breadboard right here. And the breadboard is included inside a switch box. So that's really helpful because it makes sure we don't have to actually wire in the switch. So that was really nice. And he gave us this paper which guides us through the wiring. Let's look back here. First, we've got our first stepper motor right in the top corner. This one goes up and down because this is controlled X, right? So this controls the X-axis, right? So this right here, this kind of wheel thing, it spins, and that spins the tape on this stand, and that's how you get these X coordinates, right? So that's how you draw horizontally. Then drawing vertically, you see this kind of this pole sticking out with this little pen holder right here. That's controlled by another stepper motor that's right, kind of in between this jumble of wires. So that's another step motor, and that's gonna do Y. So that's gonna be vertical lines. So let's go back here. This right here, this green thing is our LCD screen. So we saw this on the outside too, right here. This is our screen, so this is gonna kind of give us the interface. This is our UI, or user interface. Right to the left of that, we've got our joystick. This is what you're gonna use to interact with the user interface. And then we have, and that's it, I think. Oh yeah, we have our servo motor, of course, which our servo motor is actually used to push on and off the tape. So that pushes this way, because see, this is stuck right now. Once you activate it, this servo motor will push on and off from the tape. And you'll see that once we start printing. It'll push on and off from the tape, and that will help it go from drawing to not drawing. So now we're gonna actually use our label maker. So we're gonna disengage all of our stepper motors. Now we're gonna load our tape piece in and make sure it's all secure. And there we go. Then what we're going to do next is we are going to disengage our first, and then we're going to disengage our second stepper motor. Make sure that this little servo motor wheel right here is touching the tape. Make sure your tape is all the way loaded in. We'll take our pen and we'll just slide it right in, keeping a tiny bit of space in between. So there you go. I'm just gonna screw that in to tighten. Then we're gonna turn it on, and let's look at the liquid clear display LCD. It says initializing, and that's just to make sure the pen is all the way down. So right now it's all the way down, so it's not really doing anything. So we're gonna start our label maker, and we're just gonna write a simple hi. Okay, so we're gonna start H, we're gonna go I. H-I, hi. Universal human greeting. Then we're gonna print the label, and it's gonna go in. It's going to start printing. Now I'm just gonna turn this to the side so that you guys can see. Oh, oopsie. It's not very good. Oh, saved it right there. Then our H is a bit messed up because we have to save it from that. Because unfortunately, this is kind of at a tilt. So it makes it hard for the tape to stay in the stand. So our I is actually going to be a bit off here. There you go. There's our I. that's it. So then you're gonna just take this off, right? Oops, you could just lock it back in. Take off this. You got our hi right there. It's a bit messed up. You can see that says hi. So this was the first of our HackPack series. There will be more on the website. You can go to bitesizebuild.com to find our website. You can subscribe if you like our posts, and thank you for watching.